Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Thirsty Thursday, so it's time to make a drink. And today we're going to be making a Quarantini. So before I get started, let me just say, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love having a few laughs, you are in the right spot. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, this is riding up my face a little bit. So the other day I was scrolling through Facebook and I had seen where somebody posted, it was a little post and it said something about a Quarantini was a martini that you drank while you were in quarantine. And I'm pretty sure like any drink that you have to drink while being quarantined can be considered a Quarantini. But it got me thinking, had somebody really created, a recipe for this? And I looked it up. Sure enough, they had, and I made it. I liked it, but I decided to change it a little bit to my taste. So the few things that you're going to need is honey, water, vodka, triple sec, lemon juice, and some vitamin C packets. And the mask and the gloves are optional. Which reminds me, I think I'm just going to go ahead and take this off because I thought it was really funny with my red lips and all, but I looked on the monitor a while ago, and I think I look like one of those sock puppets, or those the sock monkeys with the white mouth and the big red lips. All right, so anyway, your vitamin C packet. Now, you can use the emergency brand. I mean, the pickings are slim out there at the store right now. So all I could find was just the regular vitamin C, which is fine. So you can do this one of three ways. I'm going to put it around the rim of my glass. You can also like do it as a shot and then chase it with your martini, or you could stir it in with the martini. But I think I am going to line the glass with it, or the rim of the glass here. So I'm just running a lemon all the way around. And then we're going to dip our glass in our vitamin C packet. Great for our immune system, right? And then the next thing you're going to want to do is take 2 ounces of honey and 2 ounces of water, and you're going to want to microwave it and then give it a stir until the honey dissolves into the water. So I already did that step just because I didn't want it to be too hot. I wanted it to cool down. I didn't want it to melt my ice. So, and then you're going to pour that, your little honey mixture, into your shaker with your ice. We also need the juice of 1 lemon. So I'm just using my citrus press here to do this. I feel like I'm doing a surgical procedure. Oh my goodness. I hope I don't have to go into the store anytime soon. This is the last mask that I have. I'll have to make one. And I really don't want to go in with my lips. I should have made them about this big, and I painted the lips on like really big. All right, so the next thing we need is 1 ounce of triple sec. And then we need 2 ounces of vodka, which is probably just about all I have left in my bottle here. I've had this for a long time. I've made a lot of drinks with this one. I think I've had this bottle well over a year. Might have just a little more than 2 ounces in there. We might as well just put the rest in there. I'm all about using up the end of the bottle, right? All right, we're gonna give this a shake. And then we're just gonna pour it in our martini glass. It smells good. It smells like lemon. And then, of course, you can decorate your glass with a little bit of lemon here. It is really good. It's kind of like lemonade. Actually, what it really reminds me of is a lemon drop. And the original recipe, that's pretty much all it was the vodka. I decided to add the triple sec because I just love the different citrus flavors. So I like the orange with the lemon. But yeah, this is really good. So, so the vitamin C is going to help with your immune system. The honey's going to help if you have a sore throat. If this was warm, it would be like a hot toddy, but it's cold. So it's like a summertime when you're sick drink. Or not sick and you're just stuck inside. So definitely give this one a try. Not just because it is fun, but it actually does really, really taste good. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next Thursday with another drink. Bye.